Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a beautiful 1968 Pontiac GTO. This is a very well restored, numbers matching car.
It's got 45,000 miles on the odometer, Dalt. I don't know any of the history on it as far as that goes. The only thing I know is it was restored approximately between 2010 and 2012.
Nice. Yeah,
I love that it's got Hideaway headlights, too.
I do too.
Huh?
Yeah.
Nice options.
Mayfair Maze is this color. The name of this color. But numbers matching 400. Great factory options with power steering and factory air conditioning. The air conditioning does work.
It does work, and it does blow cold. The compressor makes a little bit of noise. I'm gonna go ahead and start that just to let you know.
But it does blow cold.
It does blow cold, yes.
So AC compressor makes a little noise, but does blow cold. That's good, Chad.
Okay, just wanted to show you.
Yep. But you can tell they did a great job with the restoration under the hood, and like Chad said, you know, about 10, 12 years ago, they did the restoration. Underneath on this car, I was very impressed with. I mean, all painted, you know, gloss black. Really pretty.
It's a really nice car, especially for the money. Like you said, power steering, Hideaway headlights, air conditioning, and really nice paint and body.
It does.
Beautiful interior. We'll get to that in a minute.
Front nose is in really good shape. And with these, you always get a few little, there's a couple very faint little cracks in the paint on the front nose. Seems like every one of those GTOs have at least one little paint crack on them, no matter how nice. Like the Redline tires, PMD rally wheels. You want to do this one?
Sure. Really, there's not a lot for paint imperfections. Back of the hood, to your typical GTO, sticks up just a little bit, not bad at all. As we go up and down the side of the door to fender, that's an excellent gap. Bottom of the fender is in excellent shape. As far as the door goes, no bubbles or blisters until we get right back here. It's got just very, very, very small paint imperfection right here. Rear quarter is awesome. The chrome trim on the bottom is nice. Over the wheel well is excellent as well. Vinyl top is great. That's all been replaced. No bubbles or blisters or any soft spots here. And that's what you always want to check on these vinyl tops. In this back, behind the back window in this corner here. But the vinyl top is excellent.
Trunk's
nice as well. Look at the paint job on the bottom of the trunk. I mean, this is just tells you the quality of the car in general.
Yeah.
Nice job all the way around, even though that it's 10, 12 years old. Trunk is super solid. Floors are solid. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check those floor pan pictures out for yourself. It's got the jack, tire iron, all that's there. Back bumper's been replaced. The chrome is excellent. Dual exhaust is nice. And as you look up and down the sides, very, very, very straight. Bottom corner of the door lines up excellent to the quarter panel. Red lines are BFG tires, and they're in good shape. Door jamb paint's just as nice as the exterior paint. Corner of the door is great. Door panel appears to be original. You can see just a little bit of wear in that carpet, a little discoloration on the very bottom, but the door panel is in great shape. Seat covers are excellent. Must be hauling corn already, D.
Yeah, you already got some of that corn dust.
Yeah. Headliner's excellent. Dome light works. Visors are nice and tight. Dash is nice. And the dash bezels and wood grain is excellent. Nice console. It does have the Hurst dual gate shifter. Here's your inside corner of the doors, nice and solid. Door jamb paint is all good. You can tell the car was painted all apart. Trunk lid, hood, doors, fenders, everything was painted off the car and then reassembled. Driver's side door lines up beautifully as well, right there. So really good gaps on this car. Quarter paint is excellent. I talked about this a little bit. Sometimes in this vinyl top, you'll get a little bubbles and stuff here. And then sometimes you'll have some paint chips along here. Just where when they repainted it, they didn't get that good enough under there. But this is excellent as well. Just nice and crisp and clean. It's got some little bit of pitting on the wing windows here. Chrome mirror is in nice shape. Again, back of the hood lines up good. Fender from top to bottom is excellent. It's got one little bubble right here. That's in the front of the driver's door. Lower fender is excellent. Rest of the door and quarter is excellent. So a couple very small flaws on this car. You're gonna have that with a little age.
Of course.
You see the door panel right here? Kind of needs to be just glued or tucked in just a little bit here. Again, carpet's just a little worn, but really nice door panel, nice seats. Looks like it's got Body by Fisher 68 service manual comes with it. It's got the perforated holes back there for the rear speakers. Dalton will get his other two there. Horn works. Heater fan works. You want to roll up your, oh, you did already. Yep. It's amazing. Original radio still crazy. Works, huh?
Yeah.
What else we got?
Wipers work.
Yep. Here's your oil light. We just turned the key on, so that's going to show that the oil light works. There's that. Again, heater fan. Works on all speeds. We'll go ahead and shut that off. Dome light works. Turning signal indicator on the dashes both work.
I know the Hideaways work. Factory tack works as well.
That's a really nice car, dog.
It is.
Gas gauge works. We fill up with 91 octane on every car that comes in the door. Factory tack works as well. And again, 45,384 miles on the odometer. And the odometer and lenses, I don't know if you can get a good video of this, Dalton, but they're crystal clear. There's not a scuff on them. So could it be the original miles? Absolutely, but it's hard to say.
Yeah.
Can't prove that.
I think your dome light is on from the, you must have turned it left.
Yep,
Dome light
sure
works.
did. This has got nice highway gears on it too. The first time I took it out, and this is a numbers matching motor and tranny, but it's got some lower gears, some like I don't know, maybe 308s or something like that. So it's got some good highway gears. So if you're looking for just a really nice cruiser with air conditioning, you know, some nice options, it's a good car for you.
Yeah.
Still has, you know, it's a GTO, so still has some power. Great shift in the second. Took us right back in our seat. 70 mile an hour, shift into third. I guess it's got all the GTO power.
Oh yeah.
We advanced the timing just a little bit on it. When it first came in, it ran like a top, but I just didn't think it had quite enough snort for what I like on a GTO. But we advanced the timing a little bit, and we found out it had the original stock, like 308 gears.
Yeah.
So
That's a cool car.
Oh, it's a great car. Speedometer works great. So quiet and nice too.
It is.
Doesn't miss a beat, 62 mile an hour. Transmission super solid, that's 80 mile an hour right there. Perfectly straight down the road. We are gonna do a, since we don't have power brakes here, we're gonna do just a good braking on it here so you kind of know where we're at. No one's behind us.
We stop awesome.
Absolutely perfect.
Yeah. Stop great.
I mean, that's not power brakes either.
Very nice GTO. Check this one out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. I'll put a link down in the comment section. It'll take you directly to this car on our site. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next test drive.